Hey my loves, back with another video. Okay, so this is from CurlKit. It's kind of dirty, like ew. So my address is on the other side, so I'm not exposing that. So what we gonna do? Open this. Hang it open. Okay. Ooh, it smells strong. Looks like something spilled. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Okay, Curl Life, freedom of love. Live harder, live smarter. You know, it's just all the good stuff. Alright. So let's get into this. The first thing we got is Luster Pink Castor Oil. It's nourishing treatment. You basically massage this into your hair, and this is for, you can use it overnight for treatment for dry hair, scalp, hands, and feet. So it's for everybody. And castor oil is really good for the winter time too. So pure flaxseed gel, soften hair. Organic argan oil. Curl mix step 4. Wish they gave me all the steps, right? You gave me step 4. It's okay though. So curl mix. So basically, let's see what you do with this. Oh, that's the last step. Oh, yeah, it's basically gel, but it's aloe vera, flaxseed. I mean, sorry. So right here we have Dax Ideal Control Edge Control with black. Are you serious? Okay, so sorry about that. All right, we got Dax, the Edge Control with black Jamaican castor oil. I could feel, you know, those gels that are really springy. I remember being in high school and stuff. I get those gels that are springy. You tap it and you can feel it. So this is green. Ooh, smell test. It's not my cup of tea, but it might be somebody else's. It kind of cleared up my nose a little bit. Okay, so right here we have enriched with vitamin E coconut oil. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Leslie, I know you think this is, I know you're loving this. Do you want this? Because I do not. I'm not even gonna open it because I already know what it smells like. There's no point. So anybody who don't know, coconut, no. It makes me like physically sick. Like I can't do it. So this is Dax for Natural Styling Pomade. Broccoli seed oil and passion fruit oil. So I had this before a long time ago. My stuff was already open. But yeah, I like it. Sometime. Sometime. But yeah, this is for your hair. You basically, it's for styling and all day hold. You don't really need a lot either. Not at all. Okay, you guys, so this was a short one as usual. So, my conclusion on this box, I say it's okay. The only things I'm really feeling is probably this oil. I'll probably use it for my body, or like, you know, do my little shea butter mix and add this to it maybe. I'm not sure. I gotta read the ingredients because, yeah, it got BHT in it, so I don't know about that. But out of all of these, I'll probably try these 3, but I'll try this one first. And I forgot to do the smell test, you guys. Oh, it really don't have a smell. You know what it smells like? Key lime pie. Ooh. Yeah. No? Hold up, no. I don't know. I think it's key lime pie. If it's not, it's something else, but I know it smells really, really good. It smells good as well. This is okay, but yeah. Overall box. I've been getting these boxes for almost 2 years now, and sad to say, I'm kind of getting tired of the boxes because lately I've been getting the same things, and I'll get the same thing back to back. So it's like, I don't mind having extra, you know, like stock and stuff, but like for me to try different things on my hair and my body, I feel like there should be more variety. But you know, I guess it is whoever sends them the stuff, so that's how it goes. But other than that, this was supposed to be my last month with this, but I'll give you guys one more chance. One more. I thought it was gonna be something a little better because, you know, Valentine's Day, but they can't ship out that soon, so hey. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be back with the CurlKit one probably tomorrow whenever it comes, and I'll see you in another hair video next month. Alright y'all, peace. Okay, I want to add something to this. I'm not trying to bash no company or nothing, but I'm like, pretty much every month my boxes are like torn up. But yeah, all I'm trying to figure out is if you have certain products that you're sending people and they're bigger than the box, why can't you make your boxes bigger? That's all I really want to know. If you guys could see my face, you know how never mind. You know how concerned I am right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.